Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gusto with Xero. So first head over to app.gusto.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile or profile icon. Then next is click on App Directory. Now from here in the search bar, just type in Xero and wait until it shows up, then click on the Learn More link. So from here, click on the Connect button. You will then be prompted to log into your Xero account, so just provide your email address and password, then click on the Login button. Then next, you will be asked for permission access, so just click on the Allow Access button. And the last step is to finish mapping your detailed accounts. So you can do it in this page. So here are the lists that needs to be mapped, or you can also head over to the detailed tab. Just click on this link. So basically, once you're done with the detailed mappings, you can then use Xero with Gusto seamlessly. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!